What's up YouTube, it's your girl Amber Victoria back with another video. So I have this wig in, you guys, and I'm going to show you guys how I bleach my knots and how I pluck the hairline. I'm not a pro at this, you guys, and I don't do like hair or anything, but I just do what I can based off like other videos I've seen. So I actually filmed an unboxing of this wig a few weeks ago, so I'm going to insert that clip here so you guys can see the specs on this hair. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, you guys. Like, comment, subscribe to your girl. Okay. So I got some hair, you guys. Not just some hair, I got a whole wig from DORHAIR. So it did come in a DHL packaging, and you guys, this is literally my first time opening this, so this is gonna be my real reaction to this wig. So let's see, honey. I came up, how did I come across this? I don't freaking remember. I don't freaking know. Maybe YouTube or Instagram. I wanted to try it out. They had a lot of good reviews, and I went on their site. They had a lot of options. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna try it. Y'all know everybody sends out their own little pamphlet thingy. Yep. How to clean it, how to wear it. Blase. It also comes with a wig cap. While I'm thinking about it, I think this wig cost me like $165 to be exact. And then, here's our wig. Ooh, also comes with a strap that you can sew inside of the wig for the back. Human hair, free parts, small 360 lace frontal wig, 20-inch natural color water wave. That's what I ordered. So I'm so excited. This is my first time ever ordering a wig online. Like, I usually just get them made. Okay. Smells good, actually. Oh my gosh, it looks so good though. This was just on the inside to keep the shape. Oh wow, y'all. Okay, first of all, I've never had a frontal. So yeah, bold move getting a fucking 360, Amber. You don't even know what the fuck to do with this shit, but I'm gonna try to, you know, figure that shit out. So this is what we're working with, honey. It looks pretty good. It's 20 inches water wave. I'm loving this pattern. The density, I believe it asked me what density I wanted. I think I did 130, but, and it seems, it's okay. I feel like it could be thicker. It looks good. It was pre-plucked. It has baby hairs. That's what that looks like. It comes with clips, and I'm gonna cut those clips out. But this is what the inside construction looks like. Okay, so I kind of got it better situated on my head. The lace is still there. I want to cut this lace off so bad. So yeah, the density is trash, which could be my fault because it asks what density. I believe it asked me what density, and I put 130%. So yeah, but it feels so good, you guys. It feels so good. I'm loving the pattern of the water wave. See, 20 inches. But I am gonna try to put this bad boy on by myself. So we'll see how that goes. I'm excited! Ooh. Yeah, child, honey boo boo child. Ooh. Give me a thumbs up if you feel like I look cute with my cornrows in, honey. Comment below if you've ever tried this hair before, or comment below another company that I should try ordering a wig from, because I'm looking for them, honey. I'm looking for them. So let me know who y'all been trying, and you know, who got some good wigs. All right, you guys, let's look at the things that you will need. I have my mixing bowl and little brush, and I got some gloves here. So I got the famous BW powder that everybody knows about. And then I have the 30 developer. It goes up to 40, but I just got the 30 because I didn't want it to like cook too fast, I guess. And then these two are for toning the brassiness down, just in case. So I get purple hair dye and a purple shampoo. We're gonna start off by adding 2 scoops of powder into the mixing bowl. Then we'll add our developer in a little bit at a time. Don't forget to add a drop or 2 of that purple dye. And just keep adding until you get to the right consistency. We want it thick because if it's too thin, it'll go right through your lace and onto your hair, which we don't want. And your mixture will turn blue from the dye, but don't be alarmed. As you can see, our mixture is white again and ready to be used. So I flipped my wig inside out and placed it on the mannequin head. I did remove one of the clips out the middle because it was just in the way. But I'm just gonna tap, 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 tap this all over the front of the lace because you can get pretty deep parts with this wig. And just be sure not to press too hard into the lace. This is what it should look like. Now I'm just going to use some foil to gently place on top to help it process for about 15 minutes. I like to pluck my wigs in 3 different sections. Starting on one side of the head, make a smaller section of hair towards the front and clamp the rest back out of the way. Here's my smaller section, and then we'll just begin plucking. And then you'll make another part moving forward and begin plucking more hair. So basically, you'll just keep parting sections, moving towards the hairline, and just continue to pull that hair back and pluck more hair to your liking. And this is how we're looking thus far. Moving on to the middle section of the head, we'll repeat those same steps. Part, pluck, part, pluck. And I'm not plucking too much because this hair is already thin and it was already pre-plucked. Making progress as I move across this wig, you guys. But thanks so much for watching, and here are a few photos of me with this wig installed.